Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you the iCareFone Photo Transfer and Clean app, an all-in-one solution for cleaning your iPhone and transferring your data to your PC wirelessly. Do you ever feel like your iPhone is running slow or that you're constantly running out of storage space? If so, you're definitely not alone. Millions of iPhone users face the same issues every single day. But luckily, there's a solution. Introducing iCareFone Photo Transfer and Clean, an iOS app available right on the App Store that helps you boost performance, free up space, and back up your data effortlessly. Now, let's see how it works. First, install iCareFone from the App Store. I'll also include the link in the description below. It's available for both iPhone and iPad. Once installed, open the app. Here's what the main interface looks like. If you tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner, you'll see several options including private space, file management, performance test, and more. Let's go through them one by one. If you tap on private space, you'll be asked to create a password. This feature lets you secure your photo albums, private files, and even store private contacts, perfect for keeping sensitive data safe. Next, we have File Manager. Tapping on it will display all your iPhone files, allowing you to organize, delete, or move items easily right from your device. No need to connect to a PC. Then there's Performance Test, and this one's pretty cool. It runs a quick check on your internet connection speed, showing download, upload, and ping latency, super useful for gamers or anyone who needs stable Wi-Fi performance. Next is the Screenshots feature. This section shows all your iPhone screenshots, making it super easy to delete unnecessary ones. You can select them individually or tap Select All to clean them up in one go. Then we have the Similar Photos option powered by Smart AI. It scans your photo library, finds all duplicate or look-alike images, and groups them together. Just pick the duplicates you don't need and tap Clean to remove them. And here's another great feature: photo compression. This tool compresses your photos into smaller file sizes while keeping the same quality. It's perfect if you have a large photo collection and want to optimize your storage without losing clarity or detail. As you can see here, the photo is significantly compressed, yet it still keeps the same sharpness and color quality. That means you can save tons of space on your iPhone while keeping your photos looking exactly the same. Then there's the large video section. It displays all the big video files along with their actual sizes. You can easily identify and delete the ones you no longer need to free up more space. And if you prefer to keep your videos but still want to save storage, try the video compressor feature. Just select a large video, tap Compress, and the app will reduce its size while maintaining quality. If you prefer to keep your videos but still want to save storage, try the video compressor feature. As you can see, the video that I compressed is significantly smaller in size, yet it keeps the same sharpness and quality, perfect for saving space without losing visual detail. Finally, we have Intelligent Cleaning, a smart AI-powered feature that scans your device and automatically detects all oversized photos, duplicates, blurred images, and screenshots. It gives you a complete overview of what's taking up your storage, so you can clean up your iPhone with just one tap. And now for the best feature, the Wi-Fi transfer. This is one of my favorites because it allows you to wirelessly transfer data between your iPhone and PC, and even the other way around, just by dragging and dropping files. To do this, make sure your iPhone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, on your iPhone, open iCareFone and look for the Wi-Fi transfer section. You'll see an IP address displayed on the screen. Simply type that address into your computer's browser and hit Enter. And now, your iPhone file manager will appear right on your computer. From here, you can easily access your music, videos, photos, documents, and more directly from your browser. You can download files from your iPhone to your PC, or even upload files from your computer to your iPhone, all completely wireless. with no cables or iTunes required. Now, I'll try to download and save a file from my iPhone to my computer wirelessly. And as you can see, it works perfectly. The file transfers instantly without using any cable. But that's not all. You can also import files from your computer back to your iPhone or iPad completely wirelessly. Let's try it out. I'll upload this photo from my computer to my iPad, and as you can see, the photo has been successfully transferred. It's fast, secure, and super convenient, perfect for anyone who wants a quick and easy way to manage iPhone files from their desktop. So whether you're backing up photos, moving videos, or sharing files, iCareFone Wi-Fi transfer makes it fast, simple, and cable-free. And that's how easy it is to clean your iPhone, optimize storage, and transfer your data wirelessly using the iCareFone Photo Transfer and Clean app. If your iPhone is running out of space or starting to feel slow, this app can really make a difference. It's simple, fast, and you don't even need a computer cable to get the job done. You can download iCareFone directly from the App Store. I've added the download link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.